Betws-y-coed. And where are we heading for?
We're heading for Beddgelert. Oh, look, they're canoeing down there on the river.
Oh, this beautiful scenery. Camping and bunkhouses.
Fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah. It's the wrong direction for home, but we thought, so what? And this is just worth the drive anyway, going through this bit, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Carnarvon left.
We'll go left here.
Do it?
Yeah.
Got a nice park.
Oh, look at this.
No wonder they're all parked up here.
Beautiful,
Lake, innit?
Bernard.
Motorhome's got a little spot there, nice spot.
Look at this.
Amazing that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at it all. That's even better than yesterday's lake on it.
I think you just see it from a different angle, don't you? You're not like...
Yeah. There's somewhere here because there's more cars parked up. Well, it must be a good walk from here.
Oh, it must be a good walk, yeah. There's another lake here, just a little one by the looks of things.
Walk up into mountains or something.
Yeah.
He's got his canoe on top. Oh, we have cows now. Makes the change from the sheep. And this looks like there's another lake over this hill. It's beautiful round here. Beautiful. Oh, look down there.
Yeah. That valley. Wiggly, windy roads these are now, by the looks of things.
I think this makes the lakes look pretty ordinary. Doesn't it?
Yeah. The lake.
Another lake. Is that geese?
A few geese on it and wildlife. Yeah. So it says.
What it says. Oh, it's a nice place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's hope we fit over this bridge. Beautiful.
And somewhere up here on the right hand side is the parking. Oh look, there's the bus. So behind the tourist information.
There's tourist information.
Yeah, so somewhere behind there. It's behind where the buses stopped. Is the car park.
Go on, busman.
Carnarvon he's going.
Oh,
That's back along that road.
so hopefully there's a space for us in this car park. Where is it?
Turn right here.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Corner. Royal
Goat Hotel.
Royal Goat Hotel.
I think it was Goat, or was it, I suppose Goat?
Quiet this car park.
It's 10 o'clock, so
Yeah.
it's quite relatively early, isn't it, I suppose?
Which way do you reckon?
Well, somewhere where you're gonna...
Here, look, can we park here? What does it say? Coaches
Buses
only.
In. Yeah, but we're not. What about
Big
a
enough
coach?
for a coach. So we have arrived in Beddgelert.
I don't know how we say it, but
That's it.
that's it here. Beddgelert.
And we've come here on the recommendation of Mr. Greg Lowe. So Greg, this is just for you. So we've got a little spot there, look, parked up there. Just fit in there nicely. Overhang on the grass at the back. So £3 for 2 hours.
Yeah,
And let's,
seems a bit more.
yeah, a bit longer these ones. So we shall go have a little look round and see what's here. Looks a lovely place. Look at that. Road were a bit tight in places getting here.
Yeah.
But we passed double.
Fortunately, we didn't
Yeah.
pass any.
No, we passed a wagon, didn't we? On the wide bit.
Yeah.
Double-decker bus. So obviously you can get here.
It's that smaller bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what we all meant.
Down that hill
Yeah, yeah.
by the lake. So let's have a little look round and see what's what. So it must be a popular place. We've got an hotel there, the Royal Goat, looks like. Cafe and ice cream.
That way where we.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's have a look here, look. This is where we are. You can see from Wood's shadow.
This is the buses that you can go. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Train.
Betws-y-coed here. Bangor and Carnarvon.
Also you can get the train to Carnarvon.
Yeah.
Ideal. Or the bus.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. And this is the bus shelter. Oh look, it's all mod cons. It's got it. What time it's coming? Where it is? This tourist information. Croeso. Welcome. I think I delivered to an house called that.
I bet they're Welsh then.
It might have been called that before they bought it. Got what?
Ice cream place up there.
Oh, we've not had an ice cream this week, honey. I might let you treat me. So we've got a
Over there is the great.
pizza place here. Oh, look. Ice cream shop. Award-winning ice cream and sorbet. It's not open yet, a bit early for ice cream, they reckon. Get one on way back on it. Opening times. Monday, Tuesday closed. 11 till 3:30. And 5 till 8. So they must get busy in an evening as well.
Yeah.
Coach house, guest house, coffee shop, village shop, eh? Homemade fudge, the pub. Lots of in this round this area, loads of hiking shops, isn't there?
Yeah.
Self-catering apartment there. Look at that, honey. Funny kettle. Honey, look at this kettle.
Yeah.
Proper camper's kettle, that one, honey.
Do you want to go down?
Yeah.
To go across the bridge? Or do you
There's a
want
grave
to-
down there anyway, honey. So this is why we're here. To see Gellhert's grave. My mate Greg told me the story, but I can't remember. It's a dog. It's about a dog. A king and his dog. More rivers, Clem. More rivers.
Yeah.
Beautiful place. Right at the bottom of the mountain. That nice shop there's Claus Friday as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
That little shop, it said open in it. Was it closed?
Claus Friday it says.
I
See,
could
I'd
go
like
there.
some bread
Yeah.
bars telling you the story of
Yeah.
the thing. They might have some tourist information.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice little shop. Good, sounding good on the vlog. Here's the toilets. What another beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. And Woody and Clemmy are off down to see the dog's grave. Excuse the screeching dog. Look at that. Beautiful. Your donations help us never have any bloody change with us. Follow the rugged fisherman's path through the spectacular Aberglassley, yeah, some pass. Mad little raging torrent of the river, not quite raging at the moment. Oh no. There's some sheep on here, Clem, look. There's wool, there's poo.
I know, she's already pulled the poo.
Nice little church.
At the hillside.
Yeah, look at that. Bobby Dazzler. Not a bad spot this Greg sent us to.
No.
Not bad for a Royal Mail manager really, he ain't. Kelhert's grave. Absolutely not, Clemmy. Coming down here, Clemmy, to pay your respects to a fellow dog. Oh, look at these little lambs. Watch them run when they see Clemmy. Although Clemmy will probably run the other way. Oh, them two are nice ones, aren't they? Good morning, how are you? Hey?
Oh, look at the little horns. Clem's too excited about all the smell.
Yeah, Clemmy's more bothered about eating poo.
Right, stop. Stop.
You have to have a muzzle. They're all in shade, aren't they?
Yeah.
I think they're too warm.
They're too hot with this.
Either that or they're all holding wall up. Oh, look, this doggy's been to see the doggy as well.
These are in the car park before playing.
So we've made it to Kelhert's grave.
Oh, look.
Well, it's in Welsh and English.
Really? Stop being. Can you smell? Can you smell?
So we'll have a little read and we'll let you know what it's all about. So we've read the story, or tried to. So now Woody, when she's been serious, not laughing at the about the poor dog.
So basically.
No, yeah, go on.
So the Prince of North Wales was called Llewellyn in the
13th century.
He had a palace here at Beddgelert, and one day he'd gone out hunting without his trusted friend Gelert,
The
who
dog.
was the dog. He returned to his palace to find Gelert full of blood around him. He came running up to him, Llewellyn, and he thought he couldn't find his son, his heir, his baby son. And he thought that the dog had killed the son, so then promptly killed the dog. And as he howled, the dog howled because he died. He heard the son
Crying.
so went to find the son, and there was a dead wolf next to the son.
Yeah, the son was unarmed.
Yeah, the son was
Nothing wrong with him, but the dog had basically
Saved
stopped the wolf from
killing
getting the son. So then it says that the prince was never seen to smile ever again.
again. And this is where he.
And this is where the dog is buried. And now
Gelert.
it's brought tear to my eye. What about you, Clemmy? It's a bit sad, isn't it?
It is sad, yeah.
Very sad.
It is very sad.
If it's a true story.
Right, so come on.
But wow, you won't make it up, would you?
Well, it's quite good to make it up to get a load of people to come in there.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, very sad story, but a beautiful place to come and visit.
Oh my God.
What's the matter? That make you jump?
I walked in and I thought there's something in here.
Is that the dog, you think?
Yeah. This is the dog.
There's no to say though, is there? Is there? Hi, Beddgelert. You think it is?
Hello, Smithy. Yeah, I'm just going to look here on this
Yeah.
piece of information, but it doesn't really say.
Hello.
anything.
I think quite a few people have stroked his head. Look, he's
Yeah,
worn
it's
away.
very shiny. They've got on top of him.
Yeah. Yeah. You slid it like a slide, wasn't it? You slid down that slate. Didn't you?
You can't get out there, that's the thing.
Watch that bit there. It's slippery.
Steady, steady.
Oh.
Good girl. That's it.
Should have gone down this further down.
Come here. Here. Okay, enough. You go swimming again? You want to go?
Bobby Dazzler. How still it is as well. We've certainly been lucky with weather this week. Couldn't have asked for any better. Honey! Clemmy's going for another paddle. What are you doing? Clemmy, what are you doing? It is deep there, isn't it? Deep there, Clem. Oh no, she was shaky on daddy. Ah! Monkey. Again. Clemmy, here. Oh, bus. Take it to mummy.
Okay.
Look at that for a back garden, it's alright, isn't it? As long as it don't flood. Have you liked it here, Clem? It's nice, isn't it? Hmm? Yes. So glad we came here. Thank you, Greg, for recommending it. Beautiful, beautiful place. Look at this fire pit thing, honey.
Yeah. That's good, isn't it?
Oh, it's been turned into a plant pot. Yep, I'm well impressed with this. Well impressed. Nine-bedroom holiday home. Could get a bit rowdy in there. And this for a nice beer garden. Oh, that place there. Restaurant. Nice spot. Bike hire. Got to have some of that. Not seen that for years. So we're having award-winning ice cream. I'm having strawberry sorbet.
Yeah, no worries.
You don't want two different ones?
No, fine. Come, Clem. Whoa, look at them, Bobby Dazzlers. Look at that, Clem. Get down. They're mahoosive.
Coconut in mine, it's really smells.
So, also here. Hello. with the Welsh Highland Railway. Steam railway by the looks of it. Scenic views from coast to coast. So it goes from here, it goes from Porthmadog to Carnarvon, and this is one of its stops. Looks great. So should have looked at the bottom, shouldn't we? We must have told us. Want their timetable? But it's great. Yeah. Beddgelert station. You are here. For your own safety, do not walk on the track, especially if the train's coming. Booking office is closed. Please see the guard. But we don't know how often they come.
I'm sure if we put
Googled it.
yeah, we could find out.
We're back in steam again. Scenic rides into Snowdonia. So this is the view from the train line. Spectacular. And we're parked down there, look, in the car park. Bobby Dazzler. So Woody, that was good, wasn't it?
That was amazing.
What's
yeah.
it called? Beddgelert.
Beddgelert.
Beddgelert. And the story of the prince
Gelert,
who killed his dog by mistake. So it's very sad, but Woody keeps laughing about it. So if you're in the area, come and visit, because it is stunning. Absolutely.